Alright guys, welcome on my new video. Today I want to show you room in Sonesta ES Suites in Tucson, Arizona. It's actually not a room, and it's actually apartment. It's very big. You're staying in these little houses. It's a lot of them here. And the reception is here. This is how it looks like in the daytime. All of these buildings, they are hotel rooms. Lot of parking spaces. And there is a pool if you want to use it. Yeah, that's the pool. So my room is on the first floor. Alright, so this is my room, 1323. Wow, it's really big. So here's like reception room. Quite a big kitchen, wow. Look at this, guys, good size. Freezer, fridge. Wow, even washing. Dishwasher. Cooker. Yeah, this is living room. This is bedroom with big bed, TV. Couch. And there is, of course, hair dryer. Yeah, it's actually very clean and nice, big, with some wardrobes. One, and there is another one with iron. Yeah, it's very good size, nice and clean, smells nice. Wow, is there any? Oh, there is no balcony. This is closed. No, another wardrobe. Look at this. Amazing. So reception and breakfast is here. Welcome. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thank you. Little shop. Oh, and there is a gym. I didn't know that. Okay. Some weights. Yeah. Alright guys, if you like this content, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.